Hey guys, and welcome back. I'm super excited today because we are doing a 1-year review on the LED lighting that I put into my shop. Now you might be asking yourself, then why am I using a flashlight to do this intro? That's because I want to show you how well this system works. Not only does it work well, but it's the best bang for the buck on the market. If you're interested in lighting your garage or shop, stay tuned. Okay, so I want to go ahead and show you how well this system works. So let me flip the light switch. And just like that, it really is night and day difference. Now, it's during the day and I'm doing this and it's dark at night. I mean, it's just as bright. So it's amazing how well this system works. In my first video, I got questions about durability, longevity, is it worth the money? And so far after a year, I have had zero. That is no issues, no LEDs out, no problems with it. And I've got to tell you, they perform better than I expected. Now, I did get these in a box that was much smaller than I thought, and the actual units themselves are pretty small. But the amount of light that they put out and the use that they are and the ease of install makes this a perfect buy. It's a no-brainer. This is the best bang for your buck if you're lighting a shop. So let me go into a little more detail and show you a little bit more about this system. Okay guys, so here it is. And I will tell you and show you the video of when I first got this. There is no way I thought that they sent 10 8-foot lights in here. I realistically thought that this was one box or maybe a box of 2, and then I open it up and you find this. You've got some nice paperwork in here that tells you what you should be getting with each one of these. And then inside each box is a light. You get your wiring, and you get your kit. So basically, everything that you need for each one of these lights is contained in that one tube. Okay, so these are 8-foot LEDs. They are 5000K, so it's supposed to be true light, and it's 8600 lumens per light. So with 10 of these in this shop at 1500 square feet, we should be able to get some good lighting. They go up very easily with basically, it's got hangers here that move around, and then we'll just drill up into the rafters above. So I want to show you exactly what you get in here. And if it'll focus, you get in here a connector that will put 2 lights together. Get the screws and even drywall mounts so that if you're putting this into something that's not as sturdy as the metal that we're going to be doing, and then an end cap that will just, if you don't use the connector, you can cap it off. One thing about it is that these wires are for hard wiring, so we will actually be putting this directly to our power and not hooking this into an outlet like some other lights. And they give you this. Okay guys, so it's super simple. Each one of these lights come with 4 of these attached to the ceiling. You put a screw through the middle and then it clamps right onto the back side of that, similar to that but on the back. What our plan is to go ahead and do it in this way. Basically 2 lights in tandem go up and they'll go straight across there using the wondering kind of how this setup all works. Basically, you've got your lights here. None of these are connected to anything except for the other light using that one little connector piece that's in the description. Everything else goes over to these blue power distribution boxes, and that's where they actually get the power, and all of those are run from the one single wire that keeps going over, and then down. and then that goes straight to that light switch right there. So all of these are run with just the one single light. The only thing that I would say, if you are doing this, you might want to make it into 2 light switches so that you could control this half independent of this half, or this half independent of this half. That's something that I can always do in the future, but probably would have been a good idea, because these lights really do put off enough light that you could use it with half of them. I really can't tell you how happy I have been with these lights for the price. When I first got them, yes, the box was very small and you don't get a whole lot with them, but you don't need a whole lot. The only additional thing is the connector between the two. And if you're interested in doing this yourself, there are a lot of different options. Obviously, this was the 10-pack, but they have fewer options as well if you don't need that much lighting. But for 1 year of use, and for the price that we paid to have the shop lit up, definitely worth the value, and definitely holding up as well as any other brand. So if you're in the market to light up your shop or garage, I totally recommend this. And after 1 year review on this, I'd still recommend it. It is still the best bang for the buck when it comes to lighting. You really can't beat it. Anyway, I hope you liked this video. Like, subscribe, and share. We'll catch you next time.